How to install and use the Google Slides Translator Add-On. Hi friends, today I'd like to show you how to use a Google add-on, a Slides add-on, in order to translate text to make dual language resources for your kids. So I'm going to click on a new tab and I'm just going to Google Google Slides Translator. Once I search for that, the first one that pops up is a Google Workspace link. Please click on that. And then you can click on the blue button that says Install, and I'll click the word Continue. It'll go around and around a few times while it thinks. It'll say, please choose your account. So make sure you choose your school account, your educator account if you're an educator. And then it just shows you where to find it in Google Slides underneath the add-ons, and I'll click Done. Very easy and fast to install on a Chromebook or on another device if you're in Chrome. Then I'm going to go over to my monkey research project here. So let's say I've got some instructions here that I would really like to be translated into the language that my student is literate in. And now they're learning English as well, so they can have a dual language. I always like to say, if we're creating a resource that has a child's first language in it, please also include the English. And then they're seeing both. And that's really, really helpful for building up their literacy skills and tapping into their multilingual superpowers, of course. So I've selected this. I'm going to click on the word add-ons at the very top and click on, there it is, Slides Translator. I'm going to say Translate Text Box. So this is, instead of me going back and forth to a Google Translate site or whatever, this is just really more efficient. So right now it's set to Arabic because that's the last language I was using. I can click on the Translate button. If I want to see what this looks like in a different language, all I have to do is click on the arrows at the side. I can choose Chinese. Cool. I can choose Icelandic, translate there. And so you can see what it looks like in all the different languages. Now, keep in mind, this is not perfect. So this is using Google Translate as its translation engine, which is not perfect. Keep your sentences short and simple. Try to use pretty easy vocabulary, to be honest, because the shorter the sentences, when you're not using as many describing words, etc., that translates so much easier and you don't get so many things lost in translation. Once you have the translation that you want, then you can actually just highlight the text, Control-C for copying it, grab a text box from the top. I can make it as big as I want, and then I'm Control-V is paste on the keyboard. And that's now put in the instructions here. This has said, this is the content goal here in Icelandic. And then right here, I can see, because it's the 2 dots there. There we go. That is the language goal. So now I have it translated so they can see it in English and also in Icelandic. This is a great way for a teacher to do it on their end so that the student gets the dual language version.